I think it's the best tutoring I've ever received.
It's definitely in the name. The quality of teaching from the tutors are A-star equivalent.
Their tutoring is very good, and I've been doing very well in my tests.
Really do help me develop my Spanish skills, which I can't really do in school because I only get very limited hours to do so.
My Chinese has improved drastically. Miss Wong in particular, she's helped me a lot with my diction and the way I use words, and that's really helped me with my exam grades.
From this lesson, I was able to understand some of the misconceptions I had for physics, and which helped me in most of my tests, which I used to get very low grades in, but now their grades have become a lot better.
Edexcel is a good tutor because it gives you notes that are good for explaining, gives you lots of questions to revise and to practice the theories, and explains any misunderstandings that you have.
I like to learn maths with Charlie because he teaches maths very well, and I understand the concepts.
I like to learn maths with Charlie because he helps me to strengthen my confidence. He helps me to improve my test. I like to learn biology at A-star as well because the teacher explains very well.
Raven helped me a lot during my IGCSEs. During my mocks, I got a C in chemistry, but he helped me improve a lot, so in the end I got an A-star for my actual exam.
I'm really happy with my tutor, and I think he helped me progress a lot in math.
I've liked coming here because Charlie has helped me improve a lot in my maths IB, and he's helped me with weekly homework as well as revision for exams.